This is an orchid we hold close and dear to our hearts. With a soft, subtle, and elegant fragrance, this orchid's beauty stems from its vibrant color, resilience, and hardiness, which serves to reflect the spirit of Singapore, hence our national flower. To enhance the scent of this beautiful orchid, other therapeutic orchids have been included in to reap their soothing and medicinal benefits. Enriched with antioxidants, this orchid is a great ingredient in skincare applications. Medicinally, it is used to improve eyesight and can even be used to treat certain types of cancer. The whole plant is also used to treat liver disorders and nervous debility. This orchid is often taken as a tonic and nutrient, especially in cases of diabetes and diarrhea in India and Nepal. Let me introduce to you some other additional fragrances added in Floral 5. Lily and black alder. Emitting a delicate, light scent with hints of citrus and green notes lingering, lily adds an exquisite touch to the fragrance composition. Used widely in aromatherapy, it can benefit individuals suffering from depression by creating a feeling of positivity, tranquility, and a sense of security. Black alder has a woody and moss-like scent and carries many health benefits and medicinal values. It helps in maintaining oral health, stops bleeding, and is also known to be a prevention agent against cancer, particularly face, tongue, and breast cancer. A soft, haunting, feminine, and sophisticated fragrance. This makes for one of our favorite scents in our collection.